Happy morning, students. Today now let us start the new chapter, area related to circle. First, see some important formula of area related to circle. Area of the sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. It is a area of the sector. This region is a area of the sector. The another name is area of the minor sector. This area of the sector or area of the minor sector. The region of formula find out பண்ணக்கூடிய formula theta by 360 into pi r square, or another formula 1 by 2 into L into R. L is the length of the arc. The length of the arc is given and radius is given. R and L given கொடுத்துட்டா area of the sector ஓட formula 1 by 2 into L into R. Area of the major sector formula, this part, the remaining part is a area of the major sector formula 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square, area of the major sector ஓட formula. Next, area of the minor segment, the circle, this line is a chord, this part is a area of the minor segment, area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment oda formula, a sector, draw a sector. Area of the sector, the whole part is a area of the sector minus area of the triangle, area of the triangle. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle is a area of the minor segment oda formula. Next, area of the major segment. Major segment is a, this part, area of the major segment. This portion is minor segment. The remaining part is a major segment. Area of the major segment formula, area of the circle, area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. This part, minor segment subtract பண்ணிடணும். Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Next, area of the circle formula pi r square, area of the circle formula pi r square, perimeter of the circle 2 pi r, area of the circle pi r square, perimeter of the circle 2 pi r. Next, area of the semicircle, this portion, area of the semicircle 1 by 2 into pi r square, 1 by 2 into pi r square, perimeter of the semicircle, this portion pi r plus r plus r, 2r, therefore pi r plus 2r, pi r plus 2r. Area of quadrant, area of the quadrant 1 by 4 into pi r square, 1 by 4 into pi r square, perimeter of the quadrant 1 by 2 pi r plus 2r, r plus r, this portion 1 by 2 pi r plus 2r. Area of circular path or ring. Next, it is a area of the circular path. Two circles are interior concentric circle. Areas of circular path or ring, this portion pi into r square minus r square. Capital R is a outer circle oda radius, small r is a inner circle oda radius. A equal to pi into r square minus r square. You could write pi r square minus pi r square. Next, area of the triangle half into b into h. Base and height is given. The using the area of the triangle formula half into b into h. Next, the Euclid triangle angle is 60 degree. Euclid triangle and the using the formula root 3 by 4 into a square. Root 3 by 4 into a square. Euclid triangle and the using the formula root 3 by 4 into a square. Or another formula, the angle is greater than 90. using the formula r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. The angle is below 90 degree, 60, 40 இது போல் below 90 degree இருந்தால் using the formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta, 1 by 2 r square sin theta. For formula, area of the triangle, base and height half into b into h, another root 3 by 4 into a square, another formula r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Next 1 by 2 r square sin theta. First question, find the area of the shaded region in the figure where ABCD is square of side 14 cm. ABCD is square, the side is 14 cm. The 14 centimeter. The side is 14 centimeter. Square, side A 14 centimeter. Next, radius of the circle. Radius of circle equal to 14, 7. It is a diameter. The diameter is 7. Therefore, radius equal to 7 by 2, d by 2, radius by 2. The whole, it is a diameter 7. Therefore, radius is d by 2, diameter by 2, 7 by 2 centimeter. Area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of 4 circle. Area of the square minus area of 4 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Area of the 4 circle. Area of the square formula a square minus area of the 4 circle oda formula 4 into pi r square. 4 into pi r square. Therefore, a square, a is a 14 centimeter. 14 into 14 minus 4 into pi oda value 22 by 7. R oda value 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 the whole square 2 times write பண்றீங்க. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Therefore, 2 2s are 4, cancel. 1 7s are 7, cancel. 14 into 14 oda value 196 minus 22 into 4. 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 154. Therefore, 196 minus 154 equal to 42 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region equal to 42 centimeter square. Area of the square minus area of the 4 circle. Next question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC is a semicircle. Therefore, the 14, 14. Square side A equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of semicircle R equal to 7 centimeter. Semicircle radius, semicircle, it is a diameter. Half portion is a radius. R plus R is a diameter. Therefore, 14. This part 7, this 7. Therefore, radius of semicircle R equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, area of shaded region equal to area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. 2 into area of semicircle. Therefore, area of square formula a square minus 2 into area of the semicircle formula half into pi r square. Half into pi r square. 2 to cancel. A oda value 14. 14 into 14 minus pi oda value 22 by 7 into r oda value 7. 7 into 7. 7 square. Therefore 1 7 7 cancel. 14 into 14 oda value 196 minus 22 into 7 oda value 154. Therefore 196 minus 154 oda value 42. Therefore area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square. Next, third question. ABCDC square, A, B, C, D is a square. The square side is 14 centimeter. Square side 14 centimeter. With center ABCD 4 circles. A base பண்ணி 1 circle, B base பண்ணி 1 circle, C, D base பண்ணி 1 circle. All circle touch each other. Therefore, find the area of the shaded region. Radius of the quadrant. Radius of quadrant. This part is the area of the quadrant. This is a quadrant. The whole part is a 14 centimeter. Is half 7. Therefore, it is a quadrant. Therefore, R. Therefore, radius of the quadrant equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, area of shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal to area of square minus area of 4 into area of quadrant. Area of the square first minus quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 into area of the quadrant. Therefore, area of the square formula A square minus 4 into area of the quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 pi r square. The square side is 14 centimeter. Applying the value 14 square minus 4 cancel. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius of the quadrant is 7 centimeter. Therefore 7 square. 7 into 7. 1 7 1 7 cancel. 14 into 14 196 minus 22 into 7 154. Therefore 42 centimeter square. Therefore area of the shaded region, this side, area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square. Fourth question. On a square handkerchief, it is a square handkerchief, 9 circular design, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 circular design of each radius 7 centimeter. The radius is 7. Therefore diameter is 14. Therefore the circular diameter 14. This circular diameter 14. This circular diameter is 14. Therefore side of square or side of the square 14 plus 14 plus 14 equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore the side of the square equal to 42 centimeter. Radius of the circle equal to 7 centimeter. Question. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. The circular ring omit பண்ணிட்டு the remaining portion, the shaded portion is a remaining portion. Therefore required area equal to area of area of square minus area of circle. 9 circle, therefore 9 into area of the circle. Area of the square, a square minus 9 into pi r square. A square oda value 42, therefore 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7. Radius oda value 7, therefore 7 into 7. 1 7 is cancelled. 42 into 42 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா therefore 1764 minus 9 into 22 into 7 oda value 1386. Therefore subtraction 1764 minus 1386 oda value, therefore 378 centimeter square. Therefore required area 378 centimeter square. Area of the square minus 1 to 9 circle minus 9 into area of the circle.